This is a common way of thinking, but I'll try to explain why this guy is wrong.
No way. Not this time.
We will look at logo design and typical challenges that all designers face. Client rejections. Why are our logo designs being rejected? And how can we transform these situations into opportunities? Before we go into real cases, let's discuss the human aspect in design. Taste is important, and as designers, we frequently deal with a wide range of preferences. Think about picking viral videos for your friends. You understand their preferences and filter content accordingly. The same idea applies to clients. Even if they aren't our friends, they're human, and we can make reasonable assumptions about their tastes. I'll describe a personal experience in which I had to create a logo. By researching tiny clues from his past and social media, I was able to produce a logo that he appreciated without modifications. But things aren't always simple. I'll walk you through a challenging assignment in which a customer with a detailed brief turned down many logo concepts which I designed. Persistently, I researched each rejection, watched her social media, and discovered a critical insight into her preferences. By utilizing this understanding, I designed a new logo with particular guidelines: concise, detailed, and unique. But why did she find this specific design attractive? Because we now send her content that appeals to her preferences rather than ours. Each rejection is an opportunity to improve your approach. As designers, we have to understand that individual preferences differ. Others may not appreciate what you love, and that's fine. The trick is to not give up, learn from rejections, adjust, and keep working. Satisfaction leads to references, which lead to additional possibilities and ultimately more money. Please subscribe and follow for more content like this. Remember that the way to success in logo design is filled with challenges, but each rejection provides an opportunity for improvement. Continue designing and studying, and I'll see you in the next one.